What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bank account to eBay. So first you need to head over to your eBay's website, and after that you just need to hover on the right side on the My eBay section as you can see, and after hovering you need to click on selling. After clicking on the selling tab, you just need to sign in with your account and clicking on selling on the left side under the activity section you will see this drop down list. Click on the selling and then a new list will appear. From here you need to click on payments, and after clicking on payments, when you click on this payments again, here on the right side you will see add cards and accounts. Click on that and then you just need to enter your bank account details to add your bank account to eBay. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.